Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Edwin Kurniawan. You can call me Edwin. I work at PT Ajinomoto as staff of planning, production and control. My job are to control incoming material and control production full logistic requests. Ajinomoto company produce Sachiku, Masako, Mayumi, and MSG. Our company is located in Mlirip, Mojokerto, Java. It's around 1 hour driving from Surabaya. Ajinomoto is one of the biggest food company in Indonesia. As one of the biggest company, we have many facilities, success canteen, sport building, clinic, mini market, and masjid. Well, that's a simple introduction from me. Thank you for your attention.